Today, civil court judge Kern Reese denied the city of New Orleans' request for an injunction to bar NOLA.com and the Times-Picayune from disclosing any information or contacting any individuals identified in a police report about a Texas woman's allegations that she was raped by a security guard in a French Quarter hotel after Mardi Gras earlier this year. The woman's allegations came a few days after the city's inspector general released a report showing 271 sexual assault and child abuse cases were mishandled by 5 detectives in the New Orleans Police Department's Special Victims Unit. The Texas woman's attorney, Gloria Allred, joined in on the city's injunction request, citing that NOLA.com and the Times-Picayune violated the woman's rights after a reporter contacted the Texas woman for comment after the reporter reviewed a copy of the New Orleans Police Department's supplemental report of the woman's rape case. NOLA.com and the Times-Picayune's attorney, Lori Mintz, said that Judge Kern Reese denied the city's request as to the information contained in the police report.
But the judge has issued an order that the Times-Picayune may not disclose the identity of Jane Doe.
While the Texas woman was not named in the story, last month the woman and her husband, along with her attorney Gloria Allred, consented to being filmed by local media outlets.
The fact that she consents to her face being shown is not the same as consenting to her name being provided.
Well, the fact that the woman convened a press conference and spoke publicly and on camera obviously is a relevant fact. The Times-Picayune's policy has always been not to publish the identity of rape victims, and they have adhered to that policy in this case.
The woman's attorney, Gloria Allred, says she's worried this may prevent future rape victims from coming forward.
If they know that whatever they've said to the police is going to be published at some point, and perhaps the supplemental report is not even accurate.
When asked about the supplemental report raising questions about the number of inconsistencies in the woman's account of the alleged rape, and the report saying that there was video evidence that supported she walked into the room with a security guard, Allred had this to say.
We have no confidence in the detective's report. And my confidence was not enhanced when I went to the police department last time for the meeting and learned that the rape kit had not even been processed.
The NOPD has a new task force to reinvestigate the mishandled sexual assault cases and child abuse cases, including the woman's case, which is already under review. Allred says she isn't sure what the city will do next, but when asked if she thought that the NOPD's report finding its way to the press was a tactic to intimidate her and her client, Allred had this to say.
If anyone in the New Orleans Police Department thinks that I am going to be intimidated by the New Orleans Police Department or anything they want to put out, well, they are severely miscalculating.